1,000?
Actually,
$1,500.
the class
Is
is
it best price?
You want it?
Or
What's
are you
your
open
offer?
to offer?
What's your offer?
Yeah.
Day one.
Yan. Dito tayo mga karelo sa Rancho Cucamonga Station. Magte-train tayo papuntang Los Angeles. So, ginawa natin first time. Second time na natin itong gagawin. Wala tayong kasama ngayon. Ito na yung train, parating na. So, sana mabenta natin today yung tag-Heuer natin. Kita tayo ng train. Rentas. Walang katao-tao halos. So, ganyan yung trend nila dito, up and down. Dalawang station na lang, bababa na tayo. Ang pamasahe nga pala nasa $8.25. So, approximately 500 pesos plus. Travel time. Travel time siguro mga 1 hour 15 minutes. So ayun, kung mapapansin nyo rin, ang takbo ng tren papunta ron, pero nakaharap tayo doon, so opposite yung upuan natin. So ganun yung trend dito. Ayan. So after natin bumaba ng LA Union Station, nagtitake tayo ng subway. So mga 2 station lang para doon sa target natin na shop na puntahan. Watch Guys yung pangalan ng shop. Sana makita natin. Ganyan lang yung mga station dito. Halos walang tao. Pero mamaya sa LA Union Station, interchange yun. So medyo maraming magulo na doon, marami ng tao. Doon na tayo mag-umpisa ang kabahan. Kahit twice na tayong nakapunta ron, eh bago pa rin sa atin yung lugar. So bahala na. Ito yung ticket. So ayan. Yan yung ticket doon sa Rancho Cucamonga, doon ko binili. Wala dong teller. Machine lang yung nandun. Nakatog ka lang ng cash. Pag sobra yung nalagay mong cash, walang sukli. Kukunin mo yung sukli, re-refund mo sa interchange. Sa LA Union, meron doon. So, time check. So, dito na tayo sa LA Union Station. So, medyo mag-iingat na tayo mula ngayon dahil marami daw mandurukot dito. Kasi na-experience namin na nakaraan, pero hindi naman successful yung pagkuha ng pera, ng wallet, dahil nakita ng polis. Tinanong na kung mag-file kami ng charge dun sa lalaki kasi na nahuli nila. Pero sabi namin, papunta kasi kami ng Laker game, so hindi na namin, pinabayaan na lang namin. Bababa na tayo. LA Union Station. So dito na tayo sa subway. Okay, so scan the codes. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, kahit anong trend daw, pupunta doon. So, bababa na tayo na laring tao. So, 2 station to Pershing Square. So, naglalakad na tayo dito sa Hill Street. Medyo maraming homeless. So, nakakatakot mag-cellphone. So, yung California Jewelry Mart. Tawag tayo sa kabila. Dito na tayo sa Watch Guys. Kaso natin. We're I'd like to try to sell my Tag Heuer watch inside.
Your what?
My watch.
Your tag?
Yes.
We don't buy tag here.
Really?
Just Rolex,
Rolex,
AP, Patterns,
AP, Patterns.
some Omega, some Cartier.
Do you know any shop here that accept tag?
That I do not know. I always tell everyone just go to the 608 building or if not the Plaza one. There's a lot of dealers in there.
Okay.
Talk to them.
Okay. Thank you. So, hindi daw bumibili ng tag sa watch, guys.
I'm asking.
$1,500.
The classic
Is it
rate,
best price?
you want it?
Or
What's
you
your
open
offer?
to offer?
What's your offer?
Yeah.
They want 6. And the
Your
Volta
dealer
you want?
overseas?
Yeah, in
Where?
Philippines.
Oh, they're not Filipino.
Okay. Okay, send it back.
They told me
Send
all
it
the
back
time.
to them right away.
Oh, you know your.
Because of that, your eyes, maybe.
I love you. No,
I
don't
think
send
so. They
money.
say if I'll Thai or Filipino. All the time. I'm not kidding.
Really?
Like every day. I race every day.
Your
I like
complexion,
it,
your nose, maybe Philippines, but your eyes give it away. Yeah.
Maybe a mix.
Send it back. They want 55, I got 6,000. If it's 40
So,
for
try natin
you,
yung
30 for you. If it's not, I give it back to them. How about you from 50?
We'll pass this time on this one.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Maybe next time.
Okay,
Because
sure.
we don't really carry this one.
Okay.
We carry a lot of
Rolexes,
Rolexes,
yeah, I see. Yeah, I see.
Omegas, Cartiers. We have a couple ones, staff, if you want it.
No! God, please, no! No! No!